Nakakatuwa lang isipin na madami na palang candidates para sa Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Nakakatuwa na talagang maaga pa lang ay naghahanda na ang Pilipinas para sa pag-rest back para sa 2025 Miss Universe edition. And tingnan na nga natin kung sino ba yung mga contestants o yung mga bagong kakokorona, kapapanalo na handang sumabak para manalong Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Roderick Cruz Abala. In today's video, pag-usapan niya natin ang mga contestants ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Ito pa lang yung mga confirmed. Marami pa mga local pageants na gaganapin. Marami pa rin siguro na just like sa Hawaii, merong mangyayari na pageant doon. And then ipapadala nila sa Pilipinas para sa darating na Miss Universe Philippines 2025 competition. Bago tayo magsimula guys, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button at huwag kakalimutan ang notification bell para hindi nyo ma-miss ang aking mga susunod na uploads very soon about beauty pageant, only about beauty pageant. Right, thank you very much for watching and just stay tuned. Unang-una sa mga contestants o confirmed contestants ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025, wala iba kundi si Carenza De Leon. She is 27 years old. She is a radio or community radio presenter. She is going to represent Miss Universe Philippines Australia or Filipino community in Australia. So again guys, clarify lang natin dahil merong mga nagko-comment na kasama na pala ang Australia, ganun-ganun, etc. This is, or these girls na gamit nila yung kung saan sila nanggaling is because they are representing Filipino community like Australia, Great Britain, England, something like that. So it doesn't mean na England nag-participate sa Miss Universe Philippines. It's a Filipino community or with Filipino roots, Filipino blood or mix representing their local or kung saan man sila galing. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Right, so the next one is Bacolod, Luis Lian Enumerable Bobe. She is 28 years old and I believe she is already a mom. The next one is Natsumi Sekuguchi, 20 years old. She is going to represent Bacoor. Gwendolyn Nelly Soriano, she is 25 and she is going to represent Baguio. Batangas, Yana Isabel Maranan, 22 years old from Tanawan City, Batangas. Butuan, Jadine or Jadine Les Banagan. I'm not sure about her age. Miss Camiguin, Larcine Grace Jensen. She's 20 years old. The next is going to represent Great Britain. She is Shamara Krupa. Axel Rose Gadian, going to represent Guimaras. Juliana Presado, she is going to represent Iligan. Angeline Cailano, she is going to represent England. From Zamboanga City, Casey De Fiesta. Mandaue, I don't know, it's very difficult to pronounce, but her name is Stephanie Freswodnik. She is going to represent Mandaue City. I believe Mandaue is from Cebu. Correct me if I'm wrong. From Melbourne, Australia, it's a former Binibining Pilipinas Supernational 2017, Chanel Olive Thomas. From Minglanilla, she is Nika Sosa Nabua. Frances Ann Lagkibla, she is going to represent Negros Occidental. Rachel Hoko or Rachel Hoko, she is going to represent Oriental Mindoro. Rachel Hoko is an OFW, she is based here in Dubai. And yeah, so I believe that she is a pageant veteran or marami siyang sinalihan na local pageant sa Pilipinas before siya mag-abroad o magpunta dito sa UAE. Lisa Marie Suwan, she's going to represent Pagadian. From Palawan, Jamaica Long. From Romblon naman, Maria Nicole Valdez. From Siargao, Millian Joy Cabigas. Sydney or from Sydney, Australia, Bella De La Cruz. From Tandag, Danielle or Danielle Ann Catalan. From Tarlac, Sasha Julie Bell Lacuna. From Tuguegarao, Thea Samantha Lacanlalay. And from Virginia, Zoe Sophia Gabon. And those are the confirmed contestants. But para naman sa akin, allow me to give you some of the girls na para sa akin is talagang mga stand out as of the moment. Okay, so sila yung mga girls na feeling ko, pakiramdam ko na talagang may ibubuga Okay? Sila yung mga girls na pupwedeng mag-excel comes coronation night ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Unahin muna natin si Miss Baguio. I think Baguio is beautiful. She is mapasimpleng makeup o walang makeup. Maganda talaga si Miss Baguio. I think that she has the chance to excel in the coronation or in the upcoming coronation ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025. She is parang classic, morena, Pilipina yung beauty. Hindi siya morena, but I think that she has this Filipina vibe, Filipina aura, Filipina beauty per se. The next is Iligan. So I think Iligan is beautiful. She has this beautiful face na kahit walang makeup is maganda talaga siya. The next is Mandawi. I think Mandawi is beautiful. I think she's mixed because her name is Priswodnik. I think and I believe the Habsha or something. Maybe something European because of the name. Just leave your comment down below kung anong mix niya. But she has this gorgeous face, especially pag naka-makeup. The next is from Melbourne. Of course, although medyo aged out na siya, but of course, still, she is eligible because of the new rules of Miss Universe organization. So, Chanel Olive Thomas, let's see. Zamboanga City, I think she is also beautiful. I think she is one of, or maybe she is the tallest. She has these beautiful arms, beautiful long arms, long legs. I think she is one of the best for me, parang sa akin, especially hindi pa natin siya nakita. Ako personally, hindi ko pa siya yata nakita sa ibang national pageant. I think that she has this beautiful aura, Asian, Oriental, beautiful, na siguro pag inayusan siya na iba pang ayos is mas maganda siya. Yeah, I think Zamboanga is very, very beautiful. So, these are the girls na para sa akin is stand out among others. Okay, the rest of the girls are beautiful. They're all equally beautiful. But para sa akin, these girls are the most stand out para sa akin. So, para sa inyo guys, sino yung mga napipisil nyo so far? Sino yung mga para sa inyo is talagang bubulusok sa darating na competition ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025? Just leave a comment down below and thank you very much for watching. And see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.